What's up guys, AK with DCCTRAIN. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this handrail broken right there. I got engine like this, so the plastic they making very flexible, but when it's after process that part, it's kind of locking. Not sure what kind of plastic is this, but any glue not gonna melt it. But I'm using that for years. Loctite activator, it's like first step, and Loctite professional super glue, and that's working. So first I'm going to just bend that thing a little bit. That thing has odor. Whew. So use like ventilator or good place for like air moves around. So I need to work on this guy. Tight space, but I'm trying my best. But before you're doing it, make sure engine doesn't have any like shades or anything like can be damaged. So I check it before, it's all good. So here we go, asking for like a minute waiting time, and then just position that. It's kind of just naturally sits here, and then I'm applying with my Loctite to just cutter exacto tiny bit. I'm not gonna show you because I'm a little bit worried to be close to the engine. The glue should be newer kind of, so dipping a little bit more, but that's okay. We'll get a fresh one in a second. Yes, that's it. So I'll try to show you like that, and just carefully apply it here. Wait maybe like 15 minutes to half an hour just in case it's cured completely, and this is it. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.